how to maximize the function. So question is, given a profit function in 000, here you can take anything, either dollar, pound, on euro or rupees. So I'm taking euro here. So if your answer is 10, so it means 10,000 euro. So given a profit function here, y equal to minus 2x square plus 20x minus 32, where x is the quantity and y is this is the profit function. This is the profit function. Question is, find the quantity that maximize the profit. We need to find this quantity, which means we need to find x. For the value of x, this profit function will maximize. So how to maximize any function? Let us understand. First, I will explain you by using the graph. This is a function y equal to minus 2x square plus 20x minus 32. If this is a quadratic function and coefficient of x square is negative, if coefficient of x square is negative, you will get a function n shape. Whatever function, you will get the n shape function. And if you will have here positive value, you will get a function, wherever the function, it will be u-shape function. So clearly here, if you will get here for this is the function, because here is negative. Coefficient of highest power, which is x square, is negative. So for this function, we will have this graph. So we need to find the quantity that maximize the function. So where is the maximum value in the, this is x, so this is the quantity, and this is y, so this is the profit function. This is the profit line, and this is the x-axis is represent quantity line. So where is the maximum value? So y maximum profit, here is the y positive and here is the y negative. So this is the maximum value. So by using calculus, we will find the maximum quantity. So we will use the calculus and find the function to be maximized. So see, in this function, here we always in maximum or minimum value, slope will be 0. Here the slope is equal to 0. Slope means first derivative of the function. Dy over dx will be 0. So any function maximize or minimize when slope will be 0. So here what we will do, write down the function first. Y equal to minus 2x square plus 20x and minus 32. So we need to find the quantity that maximize the profit. Write down any function or minimize, any function, the function maximize or minimize when slope will be 0. And what is the slope? Derivative of the slope, dy over dx equal to 0. So maximize or minimize, here is the maximize or minimize. So here it will be, where is the turning point, there is the slope will be 0. So here function will be minimized. So you need to find out whether the equation is in negative here or positive. If the coefficient of x square will be positive, so your function will be minimized, and if negative, your function will be maximized. Now we will find out the maximum value for which the function will be maximized. So here we have y equal to minus 2x square plus 20x minus 32. Find out the slope, dy over dx, and put it equal to 0. So find out dy over dx, first derivative. I have uploaded the derivative video from basics to higher level. You can check my videos there. So derivative of y is here it will be minus 4x plus 20. This is your dy over dx, and put it equal to 0. So minus 4x equal to minus 20, x equal to minus 20. This will come underneath minus 4. So it will be, here it will be 5. So quantity that makes the profit maximum, which is x. So this is the quantity that maximize the profit. So this way we will maximize any profit function. Now related to this, we will take a few more questions related to this question. Now next question I am going to take. Second question connected to this question. What is the maximum profit? Then what is the maximum profit? Now solution of this is, what is the maximum profit? Our profit function is y equal to minus 2x square plus 20x and minus 32. And just now in the first question we found out x, when x equal to 5, when quantity equal to 5, this profit function will be maximized. So we need to find out the maximum profit, as this is our profit function, y is our profit function. So what we have to do, just sub in the value of x equal to 5 in the profit function and we will find the profit. So y equal to minus 2, in place of x, right, sub in 5 square plus 20 multiplied by 5 minus 32. So calculate this one, minus 2, 25 plus 100 minus 32, then it will be minus 50 plus 100 minus 32 equal to minus 50 and minus 32 will be minus 82 plus 100 equal to, this will give you 18. So for x value, quantity will be 18. For x value 18, this function will be maximized, profit will be maximized. As our question, if you remember, profit function is in 0, 0, 0. So final answer will be 18,000 euro will be the final answer. Now let's take one more question related to this question, connected to this. Next question will be, find the value of x for which the firm makes a loss of 432 euro 432. Now what will be the answer of this question? So loss of 432, it means our profit function is this one, and the firm, we need to find the value of x for which this profit function will not make any profit, will make a loss of 432 euro. Here it will be euro or rupees or dollar or pound, whatever you can add it here. The answer of this will be, write down the profit function, which is we have profit function is minus 2x square plus 20x minus 32. This is the profit, but we have here loss, so we got loss here, so equate it to 432 and find the value of x here. So how to find the value of x here? So here what we will do here, we can see, we can take minus 2 here common, so to simplify the function here, equation here, take minus 2 common, so it will be x square minus 10 plus 16 equal to 432. Write down x square minus 10 plus 16 equal to 432, and this minus 2 come underneath here. Two, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 6, 12. So it will be x square minus 10 plus 16 equal to 216. Now come here. So x square minus 10 plus 16, and bring this to 216 to before equal sign, minus 216 equal to 0. Now we have the new equation here, x square minus 10, here it will be 10x, sorry, minus 10x, and then here it will be minus 200 equal to 0. We need to find out the value of x here, so you can use the method of factorization or quadratic equation. So I have uploaded one separate video using the factorization, how to find the value of x, and using the formula how to find the value of x. You can check that video. Here we will use the factorization method. So x square, we will break this minus 10x between two values which we will get 200. So check the process of how to factorize that video, then you will understand. So here it will be minus 20x and then plus 10x minus 200 equal to 0. Now we will take common difference, common factor from this 2 and this 2. So here it will be, take x common, so here it will be x minus 20, and then here you can take plus 10 common, so here it will be x minus 20 equal to 0. So in the factorization, if we have this factor is same, it means we are doing correct. So we have x minus 20 and x plus 10 equal to 0. We have two factor here, so we will get x equal to 20 or x equal to minus 10. So as we need the quantity will not be in minus, so we will cancel it out, this one. Our quantity is the value of x equal to 20. This is the, so for the value quantity, if we have the quantity x equal to 20, we will have the profit function, we will get the loss of 432 euro. Now I am going to take next question, how to maximize the function, but here is the little different question I am taking here. So this is here, question is a company's revenue and cost functions are given in 000, which is either euro, pound, dollar or rupees. So revenue function is given 107x minus 2x square, where x equal to quantity, and cost function is given 200 plus 3x, same x equal to quantity here. The question is, first question is, find the profit function in terms of x. We need to find the profit function. So this is the revenue and this is cost. So what is profit equal to? So here little different question here, revenue and cost function not exactly, profit function is not given here, revenue function given and cost function given, and you need to find out what is profit function. So profit, the formula of profit is, how to find the profit function when revenue and cost given. So profit equal to revenue minus cost. This is the formula in financial maths. So this is the profit function equal to revenue minus cost. We need to find the profit function and write down the revenue function. This is the revenue. Revenue function is 107x minus 2x square and minus cost function. So minus is there, so cost function will be in the bracket, 200 plus 3x. This is the cost function. Let us calculate this one, simplify it. 107x minus 2x square, and open the bracket and multiply by minus 7. So minus, this will be minus 200 minus plus minus 3x. So 100x and minus 3x is the same like term, x and x. So this will be 107x minus 103x. This will be 104x. Then minus 2x square and minus 200. So this is our function of profit function, but this is not arranged as I can see here. This is the quadratic equation, so this is not arranged. Always in quadratic equation highest power will be in the first term. So let us arrange this. Minus 2x square, then it will be 104x and minus 200. So this is the profit function. Answer of this question. Find the profit function in terms of x. Let's take the second part of the question here. Now we have second question. Find the quantity. It means we need to find out x, because x is the quantity. Find the quantity at which profit is maximized. So you know how to find the maximized or minimized the function. Find out the slope of the function and equate it to 0. Here our function is p. P equal to minus 2x square plus 104x and minus 200. So derive the function and that will be your slope. We need to derive this function with respect to x. In the first question we had y equal to, so we wrote dy over dx, but in this question we have p equal to, so we will write dp over dx and equate it to 0. Find out dp over dx. dp over dx, derive this function with respect to x. This will be minus 4x and then plus 104 equal to 0. Here minus 4x equal to, this will come over this side, so this will become minus 104. So x equal to minus 104 over minus 4, and then you can cancel it out. You will get x equal to 26. So for the value of x equal to 26, profit will be maximized. So write down here profit maximized at x equal to 26. So this is the next part of the question. Now next question I am going to take. The connected question will be here. What is the maximum profit then? What is the maximum profit? So question will be, what is the maximum profit? So solution will be, our profit function is p equal to minus 2x square plus 104x minus 200. And last question, in the previous question we just found at x equal to 26, our profit function will be maximized. So our profit function will be maximized. What we need to do is we need to find out maximum profit. So solution will be maximum profit will be, write down the function minus 2x square plus 104x minus 200, and just sub in x equal to 26 here. So minus 26 whole square plus 104 26 minus 200 and calculate it. So this will give you minus 2 and 26 whole square will be 16. So 26 whole square will give you 676 plus 104 multiplied by 26, it will give you 2704 and minus 200. Then minus 2 multiplied by 676 will be minus 1352 plus 2704 minus 200, and then minus 1352, then calculate 2704 minus 200 will be, let us do it here. this is in minus and this is in minus, this will be plus. So minus 1352 minus 200 will be, we can add it but minus sign will be there. So 1552 plus 2704 equal to, when you calculate this, it will be 1152. So this will be your maximum profit. So this is how we maximize any function.